Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your wheels using the SONAX Xtreme Full Effect Wheel Cleaner. This is a pH neutral, acid-free formulation, which won't damage any wheel type. So whether you've got polished wheels, chrome wheels, this will be safe. It's so easy to use. Literally spray onto the wheel, making sure you get a good even coverage, including inside the barrels, because we want them to be perfect. It's quite a thick formulation, almost like a gel, so it clings for a long time. So once we've applied it to the whole wheel, we can now leave that 5 to 10 minutes just to do its thing. It's got a complexing agent in it, which is a fallout remover. So as it's dissolving the brake dust, you'll see that purple color change effect, showing that it's working as it dissolves the brake dust. So being a thick liquid, has a long working time. So I'm going to make a cup of tea and I'm going to leave that and I'll come back in a sec. So we've applied that to all the wheels. We've left it 5 to 10 minutes to do its thing. You can see the purple effect as it's breaking down the brake dust. Now we're going to agitate it to get these wheels looking spanky again. We have a few different brushes for that. So one of them is the SONAX whirlwind brush for the barrel. And this is to reach in there. So we're going to start with that because that's what I like to do first. And obviously we just use the brush to get into the barrel of the wheels and behind the spokes to remove the brake dust. Wetting it is a good idea. And we can just work our way around with that. That's the barrels done. Because of the style of wheel here, with the quite tight spokes, I like using this brush actually to also get in between the spokes. This is a really nice soft microfiber, so it won't scratch, and it just fits nicely between these spokes. That's all the inside of the spokes done. We have a couple of options on brushes for that, as I said. So I like using that one for my wheels because of the width. But if you have really tight spokes like BBS wheels or anything with small holes or very tight, this brush is amazing. It squashes down, fits into the gaps, fits in the little holes. It doesn't scratch again, be a microfiber. That's a lifesaver if you have those types of wheels. Another option is our intensive wheel brush, which is this one here. This is obviously, you know, plastic fibers for really ingrained brake dust. Mainly, you know, if the wheels are in poor condition, need a lot of deep cleaning and, you know, it doesn't really matter about a bit of scratching, then this is it. But I'm not going to use that on these because these wheels are in great condition. The other one we have is this brush here, which is obviously our detailing brush. And I'm going to go around and get all of the details on the wheel, you know, around the valve, around the center cap and around the rim and stuff. So I'm going to get on with that. So once we've agitated all around, we just need to rinse. There we go, perfectly clean wheels. Couldn't be any easier. This is a great wheel cleaner. As we say, pH neutral, it won't harm your wheel finish. It also won't harm any ceramic coatings or any wheel coatings you have. It's just a great product.